Hey guys, it's me, Speed Project, and in this video I'll be doing a review on my Bakugan. So I know a lot of you out there play Bakugan, right? They're little spheres that turn into a monster when you throw them onto a Bakugan. I don't have any of those, but I do have cards. I got about 30 cards, one jumbo, and it came with 2 Bakugans, but I lost one sadly. So I'll be showing those. So I'll start with my jumbo card. A Nilius Ultra. It has 200B and 6 attack. I can't use this, but it's still cool. Let me up the camera for you. Here it is. It says it backwards from the camera, but yeah. So now I'm going to show you the Bakugan. It's Trap, this one. I have orange shield. It is minus 200B. And now onto the cards. I have 30 cards. I accidentally picked out a Spanish and English one, but doesn't really matter. I got the Skies with a Garganoid, isn't that? I'm pretty sure. I think. There is Fierce Termination. Well, it could be a Skyrus, but Hypermantinoid Ultra. All of these are, ability cards. I have Pyrus Strike, Super Rare, Water Slash, Titan Fangzor, Heroic Inspiration, Chaos Ascendini, Titan Hulka Ultra, Shadow Her. I also have Sonic Hulk, Smoke Armor, Corrupting Mist, Hydroblast, Turn to Energy, Fiery Rage, another Fiery Rage, another Turn to Energy, Trox's Moxie, a Impact Laser, Repel Pyrus, Repel Ventus, Toxify, another Toxify, Tides, another one of them. I have Venom Blast, Masato Kazami, and Shock and Awe. Some of these are really helpful, and I really like Bakugan. And for some of you who don't know what it is, it's a really fun card game. You take some of these sphere ball monster things, you throw them onto one of these Bakugans, and then they transform into a big monster. It's really cool. And I'm gonna put these all into order from Ventus, Aquas, and all the other ones. Boom, boom. Up wrong way. And this one. This. I have a ton of Ventus, but it's just because the pack came with a lot of Ventus. Not much Darkus. The light. I have Alorius, Pyrus, and so yeah, I have Chaos, Ventus, Darkus, Aquas, Pyrus, and Aureus. I can't pronounce it. Aureus. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you want more Bakugan videos, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.